how to fix TikTok account temporarily suspended. So if you want to recover a suspended TikTok account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Google or your browser. After that, search for TikTok support. Now you need to scroll down a bit and then go with report a problem section. Now here it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and select account access or security. And then go with the category, and under your category, you can just simply go and select banned account. Or you may have a suspended option. You can just simply go and select suspended. But if you want to recover your hacked account or a suspended account, then you can click on recover account. After that, you will have some process that TikTok will help you, or TikTok will guide you on how you can recover your account. TikTok will guide you with some process. So even after using that process, if you're not being able to recover your account, like here you will have some steps, right? So even after following this method, if you're not being able to recover your account, then you just need to simply scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of username. You need to enter the username and then you need to enter your account information like your sign up date, your sign up region, registration method, and the device that you've used to log in. And enter your contact information like your contact email, and you can add some additional details as well. And you will also have an upload option. You can upload some screenshots and share some details related to your feedback. And then go with these two boxes, make sure that you've selected them, and then go with submit, which will be on the right side. After submitting, you might get an email from TikTok on how you can recover your account, or you'll have some further process like providing some details, and your account will be recovered. That's it. That's the only way. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.